You're watching News Leader 9 with Cheryl Renee and meteorologist Greg Majewski.
Let's go to Eufaula. Thanks to our Alpha Insurance Skycam. Somebody's excited. At the Alabama Power Building, temperature there 54, and it looks like some wet roads out there.
Yep, some wet roads out there. Expecting that as we're watching some showers come up from the south. That little rain showers moving through there just recently. And we're going to expect some of that around our area for this afternoon. Nothing too widespread. Just some drizzle. Kind of cool outside, but the warmer weather will be arriving, especially heading into tonight. Let's see what's trending with the forecast, Cheryl, shall we? As we're looking at clouds, drizzles, little late showers moving into the Columbus area. Some of this already moving into our south. Looking right now at some rain for tomorrow. Could see some rain though. And questions for the week. So we'll show you that here in just a second. Let's take a look right now at the radar. We are picking a little bit of that light drizzle and rain up here, especially off toward the east of Columbus. Down to the south, that's where we're seeing more of the heavier shower type activity down near the Eufaula region. And this will begin to move toward the north and toward the east. You see some of the yellows and greens in there. It's indicative of some of the heavier there. That's right near just to the east of Cuthbert right there. And again, this will be moving off toward the north with the warm front boundary as it moves our way. Now, currently we're at 50 degrees, 55 degrees in Eufaula, 59 in Albany, so it's progressively warmer, and this warmer air will be sweeping all across the southeast. Zooming out, check out how warm it is down here in Valdosta. 76 degrees in Valdosta, 72 in Tallahassee. So some of the southern regions here could be actually getting to the 70s by later this afternoon as we're starting to see the warm up begin to move in across Alabama and into Georgia. What's going on? Well, there's the warm front boundary extending back to this area of low pressure that's developing here. Look at the icy conditions back here toward Arkansas. Freezing rain, sleet. Yeah, we were dealing with that, last week at this time. Nothing like that right now as all the cold air is kind of retreated back toward the north. And this storm system is going to be moving off toward the north and toward the east and bring with it a threat of rain. So you zoom in a little bit closer. You see we're kind of stuck in the clouds. See, there's the showers there across central Georgia and the showers that will be moving up our way heading into the afternoon. Forecast models, here's what's showing right now for the rain threat here. So here comes the warm front moving up toward the north. Here's that area of low pressure moving out of the Gulf with the trailing cold front. This is at 10 o'clock. This will be moving in toward us, heading toward dawn. So a very similar situation to what we saw on Mondays. We'll see some morning rain showers. Then we'll break to some sunshine for later in the afternoon. That's going to set up for a fairly nice Thursday, although we'll have a few high clouds around. And then heading into the weekend, I don't think we're going to see nearly the rain threat we thought we were going to see earlier in the week. Here's the forecast. You notice holding on to the cooler temperatures to the north, warmer to the south. Clayton at 70 degrees, Eufaula getting up to 69 degrees. Overnight lows much milder, middle to upper 50s, even right around 60 degrees for tonight. On the Georgia side, holding on to the 50s up to the north, but still some 60s to the south, 62 here in Columbus, 64. And these will be coming in again late today, even to the early evening hours with some of that warm air coming north. Overnight lows into lower to mid 50s. And here across southwest Georgia, upper 60s to even lower to mid 70s. You saw we had 76 over in Valdosta. Some of that will start to invade here across extreme south Georgia. Overnight lows even right around 60 degrees in some areas like Shellman. As we head for the next 7 days, here's how it's going to work out for us. Got to keep that 60% chance of rain for tomorrow, mostly during the morning hours. And then we're going to clear out with some sunshine for the afternoon. And you notice going toward the weekend, I've reduced the rain chance here. We were thinking we were going to get an area of low pressure to form along the lower Mississippi River Valley. That does not appear to be happening now. It's just going to be a frontal system coming on through, and it'll form off the Carolina coast. So we reduced the rain chance for Saturday, only a chance on Sunday, and some cooler weather into early next week.
Okay, so not looking as bad as we thought, perhaps.
Nope,
for the weekend.
Not that bad at all.
All
a little better.
Thanks, Greg. There